Okay, on today's video, we're gonna install the roof rack of this 2020 Honda Pilot EXL. As you can see, here's my assistant again.
Hello.
And this is the Pilot that we're gonna install a roof rack. So as you can see, it's like bare to the ground and nothing on it. It's gonna be a little harder than what we installed earlier. So this is without the roof rack. And also I'm gonna install the crossbar into it, so you'll see how it's gonna look like. Right now it's nothing. Okay, in case you're wondering how they ship the package, this is how it looks like. It's right here, and that's it. I choose the glossy black, so it will match the my white Pilot. And that's how it looks like there. And this is the crossbar. So let's unbox this. See how glossy it is. It's a glossy shine. I didn't expect to be this shiny. Yeah. And this one, here it goes right there. Okay. I went ahead and took the other side. As you can see, there is still a clip right here that I need to remove. It says on the manual, do not reuse this one. So for this, it's kind of nerve-wracking when I'm trying to pull it out, the plastic that came with this. Right here, this one is still stuck in there, but later on I'm just gonna take that out. And this is the replacement, the skeleton, the body of the roof rails. Took it out. I was kind of worried that I can break while in the process of taking it out. It's really easy. So what I did, I just reused this plastic thingy here. I reuse it. This comes from the bottom of that running board when I took the little piece of plastic out. So what I did is I just do something like this, like that, and then just try it like that. There you go. And actually this one, we're no longer going to use this one per the instruction. I really don't have any tools here, so I'm just using my this one. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, so I'm just gonna cut this thing. They said it's like about 7 inches, and this one is not plastic. Actually, it's plastic and a piece of metal. So I'll be cutting it from here. My brother's idea is just to put the tape here, so we're gonna have a clean cut. Okay, so let's do this. There you go. So slowly take this out. Perfect fit. I need to tuck this in right there. go. And now I just need to get the rope rail. It doesn't. It doesn't. It's tight. Oh wait. Oh, there you go. I think I broke it, but oh well, I got another replacement. All right, so. Ooh. There it is. Oh, I broke the plastic piece here. This one here. Right there. Broke the other one. So, right. Oh, this one is just broke completely. I don't know how to avoid that, but as you can see, that's the one that I broke right there. The other one's still holding on.
Okay.
Then jump.
Oh shoot.
No, me. I'm gonna
Oh, okay.
Then jump.
Oh,
There you go. Okay, looks pretty sturdy. Okay, you got a little bit of situation here. I already stripped one of the screw here because I'm not using the proper size for it, and but it looks like it's gonna be there permanently, so I'm not sure what to do with it. And I'm really confident that this thing will hold up to 160 pounds as they told us on the manual. So I just need to put the plastic on this thing, and then we should be done with it now. Left H. It doesn't really go down.